So just pulling my dahlia tubers out. I just pull them out in the fall. I give them a quick rinse off. I let them dry for a week or two. And then I just put them in a paper bag and store them in just a cupboard in my house because I don't have a basement or anything to store them in. So now let's take a look. So these ones looked, and I don't see any life, any eyes on them, anything growing, anything sprouting. The tubers look pretty dry. Don't actually see. So these ones will just go in the compost. But these ones here, you can see just the little eye starting right there. There's some life already, just in the paper bag. I don't store them in anything, just paper bag. Oh, sometimes you can just, oh, there's some more. Actually, that little wee one actually has some in there as well. So those ones are no good. Looks like right there's some starting. You can see there. There's some. I really got to get them in some soil because this one is actually, I could break this one apart. It was quite a big clump. Even this little guy. I actually bought these 2 years ago from Costco, and I pulled them out the first year not knowing whether, oh, it looks like this one can almost get pulled apart. That one's got a little eye on there. Nothing really on this one. Put that one in there. They're ready to go though. They're, what is the date? March 18th. I'll probably just cut that off there and plant that one in. And so I did, like I said, I got them at Costco, and I thought, well, I'm going to try and give them a shot. And I've had them, I pulled them out the first year, and I grew them last year. Started them this time of year. That one actually looks like there's a little eye. There's one starting right there. Oh, there's two there. Oh, that one doesn't look. Big one there, that one there. And I just pop them in. I'll have to find a container that will fit them. And I'll just pop them in some soil. This one they feel good. I'm just wondering if this one, that one, oh, look at that. Right? That one's kind of, I'm just going to pull that tuber off. But right there. All right. So let's get these potted up.